When you try to buy VR headset, it's important to consider your budget. VR headsets can vary greatly in price, from a few hundred to over $1,000. It's important to determine how much you're willing to spend before you start shopping. Next, you'll want to decide on a platform. There are several VR platforms available, such as Oculus, Steam VR, and PlayStation VR. Make sure you choose a headset that is compatible with the platform you want to use. The resolution of the VR headset will determine how clear and detailed the images you see in VR will be. Look for a headset with a high-resolution display to get the best visual experience. Comfort is another important factor to consider. Since you'll likely be wearing the headset for extended periods of time, it's important that it fits comfortably and doesn't cause discomfort or fatigue. Look for a headset that is adjustable and fits securely on your head. Another important consideration is the selection of games and apps available on the platform. Make sure the VR headset you choose has a wide selection of games and apps available that you're interested in. Lastly, consider the controllers. The controllers that come with the VR headset will affect your overall experience in VR. Look for controllers that are intuitive and responsive to your movements. Overall, when looking for the best VR headset, consider your budget, the platform you want to use, the display resolution, comfort, selection of games and apps, and the controllers. By considering these factors, you'll be able to find the VR headset that is right for you and get the best VR experience possible.